Standard form, also known as scientific notation, gives us an easy way of writing very big numbers or very small numbers using powers of 10. In standard form, numbers are written in the following form: a times 10 to the power of k. A must be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10, meaning there is one non-zero digit before the decimal point. K is an element of z, meaning k must be an integer. To add or subtract numbers in standard form without your calculator, write them in full form first. Or you can also use the matching powers of 10. For example, 6.3 times 10 to the power 14 plus 4.9 times 10 to the power of 13 is equal to 6.3 times 10 to the power 14 plus 0.49 times 10 to the power 14, which is equal to 6.79 times 10 to the power 14. To multiply or divide numbers in standard form without your calculator, you can write them in full form first or use the law of indices. Note, in the IB, it is extremely unlikely that there will be a standalone question about standard form. It is more likely it is used as a small element of a question on a different topic. Now, let's apply this to some simple questions to get a better understanding. So the question is, calculate the following in standard form: 3,650 times 200. With your calculator, you can simply put it into scientific mode and answer the question in, but without it, you can just calculate it by hand. So it would be 730,000, which is equal to 7.3 times 10 to the power of 5. Here's another question. Calculate the following, giving your answer in standard form. So again, with a calculator, just type it in scientific mode and you'll have your answer. But if you don't have a calculator, you can write it out in full form first, which would be 6 times 10 to the power of 5 would be 600,000, and 5 times 10 to the power of 4 would be 50,000. So you would simply subtract these two, which would give you 550,000, which would equal to 5.5 times 10 to the power of 5.